So here in the garden we have a cilantro plant, and cilantro is harvested a little bit different than some of the other herbs that we've talked about that have had that stem down approach. Cilantro and parsley would be examples of plants that you harvest from the outside in. And so what you want to do is you want to remove the leaves and stems that are on the outside of the plant. And I'm going to take these big ones and remove them. And so what's going to happen, I don't want to take the entire plant, what's going to happen is these little guys are going to fill in and become the next new big leaves. And these are going to be for me to take home and have on a lovely salad.